You know what the best thing with photography is? It is that it immortalizes the very moment and documents your journey through life. Don't agree with me? Then have a browse through the printed Fujifilm photos from your childhood and I'm sure you'll get it. Those moments will forever live on in those photos and they will be relived every time you look at them.
And imagine how many moments that are captured with today's digital technology compared to yesterday's analog photography. We'll have so many photos and memories to look back on in the future. Can barely wait. But today we're not talking about photography. Today we're taking a look at how I pack my bike when I want to head out on an adventure to create those memories for the future. Welcome to part 2 of What's in My Bags. Now in part 1 we had a closer look at my typical setup for day trips, where we focus on my good to have at all times gear, but of course also my camera equipment. And if I want to keep my setup as light and neat as possible, even on an overweight bike like the GS Adventure, I can of course utilize the very same setup when traveling. The only adjustment I'd consider would be to replace the Overlander 30 with an Overlander 48 to add that extra storage capacity. But today we're not doing minimalism. Today I'd like to show you my preferred setup for gravel and off-road adventures. Let's dive right in.
The very core of my luggage system is my MotoBags. These side bags are designed by ATV riders for ATV riders and are made to withstand harsh treatment in rough conditions. They are as easy to pack as aluminum panniers, and thanks to their semi-rigid design, they flex during a crash and minimize the risk of you getting injured.
With a total capacity of 69 liters, both MotoBags combined, I have enough storage space to bring everything I need during my trip. And to stay organized, which is essential for efficiency and comfort, I'll split my luggage into 2 categories: camping gear and personal gear.
My right side MotoBag that holds 31 liters is dedicated to my camping gear. I still have plenty of space for food and water, which I buy along the way. This is where I keep my sleeping bag and pillow, inflatable mattress, compressible towel, toilet bag, some toilet paper, a few plastic bags for trash, and my camping stove. All these items, including the whole MotoBag itself with quick release system and inner bag, weighs in at only 10 kilos or 22 pounds.
And in my left side MotoBag that holds 38 liters, I store my personal gear, such as shirts, pants, underwear, shoes and other personal accessories. And to easily find what I'm looking for, I organize everything inside my travel packing cubes. And in this MotoBag is also where I store a light version of my camera equipment, but this will get a new position in the new and upcoming tank bag within a few weeks. And if I need to pack something that's wet or muddy, I always make sure to have 2 separate dry bags with me. One holds 10 liters, the other one holds 20 liters. A final yet crucial thing I keep in this MotoBag is my mosquito accessory hat. Besides the obvious of protecting me against those small little bloodsuckers, I store all those small yet handy accessories such as a foldable saw, some fire steel, a still unused paracord, which I also can use as a washing line if I need to. I have some extra gas for my camping stove, foldable cup, I have a spork, I have some liquid fuel for my camping stove, I have a storm lighter, some matches and a waterproof package, and last but not least, earplugs for when I go motor camping with people that snore louder than a bulldozer. As we went through my crash bar mounted mini bags and the TallBag / toolkit combo in the previous video, the only thing that remains today is where I'll spend my nights. And here in the back of my luggage rack, I've strapped down my ADV tent. It's a great pick if you want to save space and weight, as it weighs in at only 3.5 kilos or 7.7 pounds. The only downside with it, however, is that I won't be able to get changed standing up while the rain is pouring down outside, but other than that, it's a fantastic tent. A few months ago, we made a detailed breakdown of it. Tap the link up in the corner to watch it. But if I want to have maximum comfort while moto camping, I'll simply pick my moto tent. It packs a bit bigger and is about 2 kilos or 4.5 pounds heavier than the ADV tent, but I will be able to unpack my bike inside it, get changed standing up without getting wet if it's raining, and of course avoid curious eyes from spotting my bike during the night. Want to learn more about it? Link is up here. And that wraps it up for part 2 of What's in My Bags. Part 3, which is the last one of this series, will be dedicated to all the gear lovers out there, as I'll be featuring my full gear setup for on-road travels with a passenger. So make sure you stay subscribed to our channel, and I will see you in the next one. Ride safe.